We were born with extraordinary powers, abilities, the next stage in human evolution. But is the future truly set? Or can we change our fate?
So when I wake up in my younger body, then what?
End this war before it ever begins. Be patient with me.
Patience is my strongest suit. I'm sorry, were you finished?